Do you need to activate your MetroBank credit card? I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done quickly and easily. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are using the MetroBank app, all right? And you can just download this from your app store. You can sign in, and you'll see right over here, if you do not see the Activate cards under the shortcut, you will find it in the three-dot menu on the top right-hand side over here. So you're going to go ahead, tap on that, and look for Activate cards. So once you're in here, you will see a list of your cards if you have multiple, and if it's not activated, it will have the activate button on the right hand side. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on activate. You will then get this message. It says, please make sure that you or your supplementary is in the possession of this card. You're going to go ahead, tap on activate card now. You will now have the opportunity to enter your passcode. So in order for you to proceed, you need to have your 6-digit passcode, which you created when you created your MetroBank account. Once you've entered your passcode and it is correct, you will get this page. It says card activated, and you can now go ahead and click on go to credit card details, or you can jump back to your dashboard. I hope this was helpful.